So this is Kraay Farm in the Central Alberta. It's a family-owned farm, and there are a lot of recreational activities going on. So many games for the kids and the young adults and people like us. See the pumpkins. And it has more than 50 games. There is a big slide over there. I just came from this slide. A little bit of a scary experience. Some people are biking. Let me just zoom into some of the activities. Over there, there's a water mill. There are more than 50 games and activities, like I said before. Look at this one. This is a nice attraction. So kids as well as the young adults are jumping on this pillow trampoline, something like that. I don't know what exactly it's called, but it's a beautiful place. It has a number of animals over there as well, the farm animals like bunnies and cows, even llamas. You can actually feed them live. It's a very nice place to visit. It is in Lacombe, Alberta, almost in the middle of Edmonton and Calgary, more towards Edmonton than Calgary. So if you ever come to this place, it is highly recommended that you visit this place. Great place, especially in the summers. The farm actually is privately owned, and the family started farming in 1981. But this farm with the activities opened to the public back in 2000. You can have a lot of variety of edible stuff as well. There's some mini golf going on over there as well, and a lot of little activities for the little kids. Okay, so that's a little introduction to this beautiful place. If you guys ever are nearby, it's highly recommended that you visit this place. Take care, guys. Bye.